everyone. Today Friday, 28 December. We're going to police station again. We already take all documents from DGI, from medical examination. Hi everyone, now we're in police car and we're going to the Barangay Balibago. We have already all documents, police already investigate, they help to us. That's why take a look. It's backside of Walking Street. Balibago Hall. We just finished already in the barangay Balibago, but we need to go to another barangay, Barangay Lakandula, because Korean resident, Korean bar manager, he live not in the barangay Balibago. But now already 5, that's why we cannot before New Year send document to barangay. Hi. Our friend. Walking Street, Shaira, but Shaira don't want to go inside Walking Street. So we're going to another road. Walking Street, of course. We will come back to Walking Street soon. So we go into parking. Before we park car near Choking and we come back to Choking. We not go to Walking Street, we just going to this way. This is street. Backside of Walking Street. Here have so many bars with guy. Macho man is for guy. This is entrance Газу. Газуа. Газуа. Walking Street. Not so many people. Hi. Happy New Year.
Get my
I've been again in police station. I take some documents, and police station for help to us and investigate. And they already give document for barangay. But now holidays start. That's why maybe January 3. It's next year. We can process of here.
Mariana. Excuse me. Do you know that I own this street? I own this street.
Oh,
Me.
you?
Yeah. Because I've seen you on YouTube. I own this street. So don't smash my car.
I know.
Yeah.
Career now on already.
Yeah. Is there a big problem for you with this? Is there a big problem for you with banana?
No, he broke camera, my new camera. It's not totally broke already.
Yeah. Have you overcome the problem?
No, it's old camera only.
Yeah.
But now I don't want to go to walking street, I want to walk around.
But I watch your thing on YouTube every day. I'm from Australia. So I see you walking here, you go there, you go there. And because when I go back to Australia, I keep looking, so what you doing?
Okay, thank you. Happy New Year.
You're welcome. Happy New Year.
Thank you.